And as you guys can see, it is now opened the app up. And as you guys can see, take a look. We have our friend right there, Spider-Man Miles Morales, across the Spider-Verse. And we can click the movie and watch it. Hey everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to watch Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse for completely free, guys. You're not going to have to spend any money on this. And it doesn't end there, guys, because not only will you be able to watch that movie for free, but you'll be able to watch all of the newest movies and shows for free in complete HD quality, guys. Even the newest ones like Barbie movie or Oppenheimer or pretty much anything out in the theaters, guys, you'll be able to have first dibs without actually having to spend any money. You'll be able to see anything you want, guys. This method works for your phone, your computer, or whatever other device like a smart TV. But I'm gonna show you guys on my phone how to do it because the method is really easy on phone. But yeah, let's go ahead and just turn on my screen recording and show you guys the method. So screen recording is live in 3, 2, 1. Okay, you should see my iPhone screen right now. So basically, guys, this is actually a glitched method that I'm gonna show you guys how to set up, and it's absolutely insane. So I'm gonna open up Netflix right now. Because like it works for like all the streaming apps, but watch what happens, guys. So the way the method works is that we have to go ahead and get this glitched VPN that I'm going to show you guys all how to get later in the video. So make sure you keep on watching so you don't miss out on any steps. But it's basically with NordVPN, guys, but there's this glitched version that you guys are going to get. I'll show you guys later in the video. But once you get the glitched version, this is going to happen. So we're going to connect to a server. And it's going to connect us to a glitched server, right? And watch this. I'm going to go back into Netflix, and it's going to go ahead and say Netflix developer detected. And that's because we connected to the glitched VPN, and now Netflix thinks we're a developer. And watch what's going to happen, guys. It's going to be absolutely insane. So it's going to say enjoy Netflix premium subscription for free forever, and access to all other developer movie apps and streaming services has been granted. So we're going to click OK. We're going to click on it. Now, guys, this is not what you guys think, because it's not actually going to be with Netflix that we watch it, but it's going to give us mods inside of Netflix because we're a developer. So we're going to click on the app option here in the top and watch what happens. Opening developers list, and it's going to show us this page, guys. Now, nobody knows what this is. Like, if you're watching this, you would never see this because this is like some super like unknown glitch that nobody knows about. But basically with the VPN, it tricks it into thinking that we're a developer, and now we get free subscriptions to all of these services, guys. So we get free access to all of them. So Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu Plus, Crunchyroll, Showbox, Rocker, Peacock TV, and Apple TV. You get free subscriptions to all of them, and you don't have to spend any money. Now, guys, all we have to go ahead and do is click the Rocker one, because this is where we're going to be able to access Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse for free. But you'll get a free subscription for all of these apps. So Disney Plus too. So yeah, honestly, it's insane. You get access to all these different ones. You get Crunchyroll too if you want anime. But we're gonna click Rocker, guys. Okay, we're gonna click Rocker, and it's gonna say opening Rocker developer. That's the R one, the one with the R logo. And as you guys can see, it is now opened the app up. And as you guys can see, take a look. We have our friend right there, Spider-Man Miles Morales, Across the Spider-Verse, and we can click the movie and watch it. We also have Barbie there, Oppenheimer, TMNT, the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie. So guys, this app has everything you could ever want. It's absolutely insane. And guys, if you want to go ahead and cast this to your computer or like your smart TV, you're going to click the cast button in the top here where it says next to popular series. You click it, and it will say cast to smart TV or PC/laptop or other device. Type 192.108 blah 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 into your browser search bar to cast in full HD quality. So yeah, guys, you would just go ahead and type that link in, and it will open up the app on your computer or whatever, and you'll be able to watch the Spider-Man movie on your computer or whatever, guys, in full HD quality. And there's no ads either with this method. So yeah, guys, this is absolutely insane, and this is how you watch the entire movie for free, and you get all of those other apps for free, guys, as well. Now, it doesn't end there, because you also can get other perks and rewards in other apps. For example, the Cash App. You get the Cash App developer. As you guys can see, Cash App developer detected. And it's going to go ahead and say our Cash App developers get rewards monthly. And yeah, look at that, guys. We just got $200 for free on Cash App because it thinks that we are a developer. And yeah, you get free money everywhere you go. Like Amazon too. If we're going to open up Amazon, it's going to give us... look at that, Amazon developer detected, and we just got $500 on the Amazon as well. So yeah, guys, this is insane. You save a lot of money, and you're going to be able to do all these glitches. Now, to do this method though, guys, you have to get the glitched VPN. So how do you do that? Well, it's simple. Open up your browser on your iOS, Android, or your computer, guys, and type in this website, guys, vpnmod.co. Super important that you guys type in the right website. You have to type in this, okay, vpnmod.co, guys. Go ahead and type it in and then go on over to it. And then it's going to load and it's going to take you to this page. But make sure you guys typed in the right page, guys, vpnmod.co. For this to work, it has to be the right one. And then you guys are going to be on this site and you're going to go ahead and click Get NordVPN. And then we are going to be on this page, and what you guys have to do now is actually buy the glitched VPN. Yes, this method does cost a little bit of money, but you're going to be able to get all those perks for free, and you save tons of money, guys. So you spend a little bit of money, but come on, you can't even argue that. You literally get so much back. You get 10 times your value back, guys. If you ask me, that's a no-brainer. Like as you saw, I got like $200 on Cash App for free just for using the glitched VPN. So you would go ahead and select one of the plans. It doesn't matter which one. For example, I'll click this one. And you're going to go ahead now and go over to the page. And it's going to go ahead and show the price. $60. Nothing though, because you buy it once. And then it activates the glitch. And then you can cancel it. And you will still have the glitch activated on all those apps. So yeah, you just spend like $60. Super cheap, guys. Even if you don't want that one, you can go with the monthly plan, which is like $14. You could just click buy now, sign up, make an account, and then buy it, and then activate the VPN, guys, and then the glitch will work when you go ahead and open up the Netflix app, and then you'll be able to go to the developer section and you can go ahead and open up any of those apps, and you will be able to watch Spider-Man for free, guys. So that's how the method works. If you have any questions, let me know down below, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody.